Hey everybody, here's another knife I wanted to show you. Let's see if we can get you in here on the tank stamp. EKA Sweden stainless. What I like about this knife, I've had this for a long time. I had two of these, and unfortunately I sold the other one I had. Here's a picture of it. Yeah, that knife right there, I gave it away at a flea market foolishly. I had no idea the value and all that and how much they cost, but anyway, so let's take a little bit of a closer look at this knife. It has I believe it to be teak wood handles, brass liners. It has the one main blade there. Kind of a neat feature about this knife is these bolts, these brass bolts it comes with. You can take this thing apart real easy. You know, it's not like permanently riveted like most folding knives. It's got your bottle opener blade, cap lifter, bottle opener, with a screwdriver tip and a wire stripper there. And then of course, being from Europe, you gotta have the corkscrew, you know. Gotta have the corkscrew on it. But yeah, it's a really well-made knife for a factory production knife. The blade, it doesn't have perfect symmetry on the blade or anything like that, but full flat grind. Use it a few times, it doesn't even show evidence of any wear on this blade. I think the other one that I sold I used more than this. It had the bigger blade. You know, you can see on the spring here how it was just stamped steel, you know, and it's got some gaps in there and stuff like that, but there's no play in the blade at all. The blade's really secure, and everything snaps really well on it. It doesn't have like a half open position, but yeah, pretty cool. I love wood handled knives, and just thought this one was really pretty. It had real pretty grain in the wood and everything. I just love a wood handled knife. And so yeah, I wanted to show you this EKA from Sweden. They've been making knives since 1882. And this one here is about 30 years old. There again, like a lot of these knives I've been showing you. I've had them around for a while, but they're still in pretty decent shape. So anyway, yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching my little short video on my EKA made in Sweden pocket knife. This is Dave. See you in the next one.